Hello and welcome back. Today we are drawing a xylophone. X for xylophone. I recommend using a scale because we'll be drawing lots and lots of straight lines. So let's start. So we'll draw 5 rectangles. Let's start with first. Join the ends. Now the other one, slightly bigger than the previous one. Join these ends again. And now we'll do the same 3 more times. So these are the tone bars of our xylophone. And now the final one. Big straight line. Join them both. Now we'll draw circles on either side of them to place them together. So let's draw 2 circles on each of the rectangles. And let's do it for all of these. Now to keep them together, we'll draw a straight line joining all of them. So put a scale, skip the bars and then draw the line between them. So let's start with 1, 2 and continue down, and same on the other side. Now we'll draw the head sticks using which we play the xylophone. So draw 2 circles. Now they're joined using sticks. So draw sticks, straight line coming out of the circles. Another straight line. And now join them. 1, 2. And here is your xylophone. It's a musical instrument that sounds very nice. Now, how do we draw the letter X? It's 2 crossing slant lines. So 1 and cross it with another one. This is the letter X. X is for xylophone. Excellent work. See you in the next one.